Hi, this is the SONY Xperia 5 Mark 5 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first open the settings, tap to network and internet and click to internet section. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, you should use this switcher. After activating the Wi-Fi switcher, you'll see here all of the available networks which you could connect. Tap to one from the networks and here you should enter the password. After that, just tap here to connect button, wait a couple of seconds and we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and you'll see here the internet icon. Just click on it and to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, tap to the switcher. You could click to see all to launch full Wi-Fi settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.